Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Himanshu Singh and today we are going to talk about the application which I told you, right? I'll be creating an Streamlit app where you can upload your PDF and you can chat with that PDF, right? And that PDF will be having the multimodal. Okay, it would be having text, it would be having images and charts and tables and everything, right? You can question out that. So I'll be using Colpali based multi-modal RAG technique, and you will be getting this particular web page where you will be able to upload everything. And I'm going to talk about each and every feature of this application, right? So yeah, let's go ahead. So in this, as we discussed in the last video about the Kolpali, how it works. If you look into that particular video, we have uploaded two videos on top of that. First video will be talking about the theory, and the second video is code walkthrough. In this third video, we have created a kind of UI where you can upload your PDF and you can do the Q&A. Okay. Okay. So this is kind of UI is there. I'm giving you the options to select the Kolpali model, right? So Kolpali is being fine-tuned in the different modules. So currently I'm giving you two options, Kolpali and Kolpali version 1.2. So you can select any of them. You can select from here what is the multi-model LLM you want, right? GPT-4o, Qwin, Llama 3.2, whatever you will be selecting, and that will be working at the backend, okay? And from here you can choose your document and you can upload that document from here, right? So in the last particular video we have already talked about once you upload the particular PDF, what is going to happen, right? So your PDF will be pre-processed using a vision LLM and it will be indexed locally on your database itself. So it is creating the embedding model. If you see here, .byid folder is being created. Image index is a collection. So collection is having all your B64 format data. Embedding is having all your embeddings and all the information is given here itself. Metadata, index configuration, embed ID and embed ID to doc ID also. Doc ID to file name is also there, right? So everything is there. So the working is something once you upload your PDF here, right? It would go ahead with the indexing, right? So let me walk you through this code. It's a very easy code. I'm just importing all the necessary libraries here, one from ByLD, which is from the Raga TUI, okay, and RAG multi-model. Then I'm importing this auto tokenizer, OpenCV, and load environment. So in the environment file, I'm uploading all my APIs keys. So from there, I'm loading my dot environment, and this is client equals to OpenAI. So I have got this client initiated. Then my OpenAI API key is there, and this is a folder directory where I'm uploading all the PDFs which you are going to upload from the UI itself. Okay. So then layout, I'm setting as a white, and then my title would be Kolpali based multimodal RAG. If you see this here, okay. Then I have created sidebar, right? So in the sidebar itself, all the configuration would be there. Your model selection, your multimodal selection, your Kolpali model selection, right? And your document upload button here. If you see upload side folder, okay. Then once you upload your document, there would be two columns, column one, column two, right? So in the column one, what is going to happen? You in the column one, once you upload your PDF, this is going to be saved in the doc folder here in the doc folder. Once it is being saved here, that will be indexed. It will call out this particular create rag index folder function, which we have already discussed in the last video, right? Please go ahead and look into my last video. Every detail is given there, right? So from there itself, I'm writing rag.index, and here I'm providing my collection, whatever the collection name I want here, index name I want here, whatever the path of that image is there, whether I want to store the base 64 format of that page images or not, overwrite is true. So all the parameters I have set, and now go ahead, right? So all the indexes being created, and then query part. In the column 2, when I say column 2, I'll be showing you this. This would be the column 1 and there would be the column 2. So in the column 2, you need to query, right? So you have to write your query. That query will be pre-processed again. It will do the similarity search, rag.search, and text query that query. K equals to 1 means one relevant document. And then that particular base 64 format, I'm just decoding from here itself. I am getting the image data and I am writing that image data here itself. I'll show you that, and then that once I'll be showing this, let me just go ahead and show you this how this is going to work, right? And then after, once you get that image, I'm giving this image to my multi-model, right? When whatever I have selected here, like GPT-4 I have selected, so this image, retrieved image, and the question will go to the multi-model, and multi-model will generate me the correct answer, right? Here, if you see message, my message is here, type text query image, and this is my result 0 base 64, which is my image base 64 format, right? Which I have got from the Colpali, right? And maximum token is 300, something like that. Now I'm creating subheader and mark down my answer here. Okay, so this is a simple code only. Let's go ahead and upload a PDF. So I have selected Colpali initial version, GPT-4o, and now I'm browsing my files. So let me just upload this file, implementation roadmap. So yeah, it is loading model. So it will load the model, and now then it will be kind of doing the indexing. I have paused the video for a few seconds. So once I have uploaded this PDF, let me just show you this PDF once. This is the PDF, right? It is having a comparison between the MLOps and about the MLOps itself, right? All the details. So if you see, this is the first page, and then this is kind of image, right? Here we have how does MLOps work. This is the kind of flow chart is given, and all the plan package reviews comes under dev, then ML, right? uh, ops and ML broad range task is given, right? Different things are there here. If you see AI factory frameworks, technical overview is given, right? Different model registry, with what comes under the model registry, what comes under the data storage, what comes under the model serving. All the things are given here, right? So I'll be asking questions from these images and flow charts itself. So what is happening? First part, I just wanted to clear out that it depends on your local GPU RAM itself, right? How much GPU you have, it will take that much time. So once you upload your document, it will be saved and it will be indexed like this: page number 1, page number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, like this. Document 0. Document 0 means first doc only. I have uploaded only one document. That's why the index number is 0. And then if you upload 2 documents, 3 documents, the index number would be 1, 2, 3, like that. So for one first document, it would be 0 document and all the pages number. Then for first document number will be document 1 and all the pages. So what it is doing, it is trying to like or making it in an order itself, right? So once like you query something, it will match that and it will return you that specific page from that particular PDF itself, right? So all the metadata also it is taking into the consideration, right? So I have questions like this is a question I have. I made a list of the question like what comes under the dev in MLOps workflow, right? This is a question I'm going to ask here. Let me just ask this. Let me just run and text. So once you run this, you are going to get this page, right? This page is nothing. If you see, dev is having, this is a flow chart and dev is having all this, right? Now, this is the retrieved page image from the Colpali. Now, this image and the query will be fetched to your model, GPT-4 model, right? So query, this is the answer from the LLM. Query with LLM model. So in the MLOps dev phase is exploratory data analysis, review, plan, and package. If you see how beautifully it has given you the answer, right? From the image itself. Okay. So let me ask the another question now. This one. Explain MLOps broad range of task. Let me just show you first from where this question comes out. This one, MLOps broad range task. It is given here, right? This is the flow chart here. Let me just ask this question here. Okay, so we got the answer, right? If you see the same page it has retrieved, right? Kolpali is very accurate. And if you see, LLM is how beautiful it is defining all the steps, implementing source control, validation checklist, packaging, deployment, monitoring to everything, right? So how beautifully, how accurately it is able to answer you all the queries from the relevant pages itself, right? Very beautiful, right? Let me ask one more question here. This is a very good question. So this is saying like what comes under data store and model registry, right? In AI factory. If you see, I'm asking this question from this workflow only. I'm asking like what comes under the model registry and data stores in AI factory framework technical overview, right? So let me just ask this question here and let's see whether it is able to answer this. Actually, this is a bit tricky because if you see this ML flow, this everything is coming under this one, right? So data parsing issue can be there, but let's see how it is giving you the answer. Oh, awesome. If you see, like, it has written the same image, right? If you see here, same page image here, model registry and everything is. Now let's see the, oh, awesome, awesome. If you see data stores, what comes under data stores? ADLS Gen 2, Cosmos DB and all, right? If you see, right? Awesome. If you see model registry, ML model registry, container registry, everything is given here, right? See, awesome. So, uh, I hope you are able to understand, right, how accurately it is able to retrieve the relevant chunk from the page images, or you can say images or flowcharts, and our multi-model is able to explain that answer in a very, very, very particular manner itself, right? So, right? So now, like, this is your turn, guys. You can go ahead and experiment with the different models, with the different Colpali versions, and you can play with the different document itself. What I'll do, I'll share all the code in my GitHub account, and I'll share the link on the description itself. So please go ahead and try out this application in your local or wherever you feel you have the GPU, right? Because I am suggesting you that it will be needing at least 8 GB of VRAM, right? So you need GPU to run this. Okay. And you need like OpenAI key also for GPT-4. You can run Qwin model. That would be more better, right? So try out with the GPT-4o if you don't have a Llama 3.2 or can access, right? That would be giving you the good results. So I hope you understood all the concept here, which I have tried to explain. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this particular video. Please like this particular video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll be going to upload so many videos on upcoming topics, right? We have few more techniques comes up in last week. I'm going to explore that and I'm going to make a video on top of that itself. Thank you so much.